Hello, hello, hello. I thought it'd be a good time to talk about skincare. Skincare is the most important thing when it comes to getting your makeup to look nice, your skin to look clean and healthy. I mean, one of the biggest things is drink a lot of water, but I just wanted to talk about all the different skincare lines that Avon carries because you may or may not know this already. We have the Anew line, which we've had for a long time, but the Anew line has several different lines in itself. So one of my favorite Anew products is the Isinox Booster, Collagen Booster. Now what this is, it's a micro needling polish. So it's kind of like washing your face and exfoliating. And then when you finish, your skin feels super, super soft. So that is the Isinox line through the Anew Avon line. We also have the vitamin C line, okay? So vitamin C is great for illuminating, to giving your skin a little bit of brightness and luminosity. Hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, clinically tested, dermatologist tested. Okay, so there is the whole line of vitamin C products as well. There's lots of lines for mature skin. Okay, so those are new products we have. We have ones for large pores or dull skin, and that's the pink line. Wrinkles, lines, that's the red lines. Then we have the moisturized line, which is the blue line, the hydrofusion line. There is the more economical line, if you can't afford another line, is the solutions line, and those are the ones that look like that. Okay, so some people love those. I know a big favorite that I've seen is the Tinted Moisture Shield, which has an SPF of 15 in it. We have a Rice Water Bright foaming cleanser. Like, this is huge, guys. Look at the size of that. Like, that is just a great deal in itself. And there's also cleansing wipes that come with that line. But my favorite line right now, and I haven't had the chance to try all of them yet, is the Dr. Belmeur Cleansing Bubbly Foam. Okay, so this is the cleanser, and you don't need more than one pump, and that actually is more than enough. So that, and with that, I like the Cica Recovery Cream. Okay, and that's a giant jar, guys. Like, gigantic, right? Along with that, we've got the Hydro Cream. I actually, if I were to just choose one, I prefer this because I don't know why. Is it a texture thing? Let me just see. No, that one is like that, and the other one was pink. One thing to note with these lines, anything that comes in a jar, this one is a little bit thicker. I like that at nighttime. Is it comes with a little spatula, and if you don't have a spatula, a plastic spoon works well, because you don't want to stick your fingers in something that is going to be on your face, because you have bacteria on your hands, and once it gets in there, it can actually make everything go bad really quickly because it contaminates it. So it's always important to use a spatula and wash it rather than digging your whole hand in there. And there's one more in this line that I love. This is, what is this one called? The Cica Petite Ampule. So this one's pretty cool. It's kind of like a serum, but it's like a clear serum. You don't need very much. And this right now is my favorite line of products, although I do like to use this Isinox micro needling polisher a couple times a week. Another line, like, oh yes, if you like the Anew line for brightening, that's always a good one. Another line I'm starting to use, and you can't, okay, honestly, you guys should use one line for a whole month before you switch up, because then you know what's really working. Some say 2 months, but I think at least a month you'll know. If you're allergic to something, you'll know right away. The Belief line, I've got this cute little pack that has like everything in it. There's the True Belief, there's the Aqua Bomb, the eye cream and the jelly cleanser. Those are cute. To me, they smell a little bit lemony, which is nice. Right now, this month, we've just come out with our first vegan, all-natural Farm RX line, and there is a kit online that gives you all 4 products in kind of a trial set for $21. You can also buy the full-size products as well. If you've been looking for a vegan skincare line, this is worth trying. If you go back to campaign number 7, you will see that I've exclusively went over this quite a bit more, but that is one of our newest skincare lines. So I just want to say there's so much variety. So if you're looking for a new skincare regime, the options are out there. There's also one that's a very luxurious line that's a little more pricey, rather than these ones are pretty average priced. The Mission Luxury, I can always get that one wrong. I'm not sure why. And there is also a cute little set that you can try it out, kind of a try it out set. I'm not sure if I can find it because I'm looking for it, but it's in there. We also have the Physio Gel. So if you have like really angry skin, dry, irritated skin, that's another good one to try. This Physio Gel is 91% felt their skin more moisturized, 93% more supple. It's just a brand new line that we have as well. That's the Physio Gel. I have not tried it yet either. There's just so many options. It's hard to get my skin onto one because I want to try them all. But like I said, to do a good skincare regime, you should try the same products for at least a month. The important when you're doing skincare, in my mind, first you want to take off your makeup. That could be with a wipe. That could be your cleanser. You know, if you've got, like me, if you wear waterproof mascara, you're going to want to have something to take that off with. So you're going to wash your face. Wash your face! Okay. After that, if you're going to do an exfoliant or anything like that, you would do that, but you do not want to do that every day. Otherwise, it's going to be too harsh on your skin. And then you're going to put on, if you're going to do any kind of serum or something, and that could be a targeted area, like your fine lines that are starting to show up as you age a little bit, your smile lines, as I prefer to call them. So you're going to get the serums in there, get them in. If you have like eye creams or anything like that, that's when you're going to put those on. And then your skincare cream. So if it's your night cream, usually the difference between a night cream and a day cream is the night cream is going to be thicker so that it sits on your skin all night and it can just get absorbed because you're sleeping. The skincare for the daytime is usually a little bit lighter in case you want to put makeup on, and sometimes, not always, but sometimes it has an SPF factor in it. But sometimes if my skin gets really dry, which is not often because it's usually oily, but if it does get really dry, I will use my nighttime skincare in the morning. So there's no hard, fast rules, but that's kind of a general overview of, you know, looking after your skin. You can always do the jade roller. You can do, you know, masks. I love masks. Masks you don't want to do more than a couple times a week, maybe 3 max. If, you know, if you do like masks, they're not necessary, but, you know, they're great. I love them. It makes me feel like I'm actually relaxing when I've got a mask on. Because then I feel like, I guess, like no one can talk to me. I have a mask on. Not true, but you know, I like to imagine sometimes. What else was I going to show you? If you're looking for trials of things and you're not sure if you want to buy a whole jar or something, like I said, right now we have the special trial kit of the Farm RX because it's brand new. But another thing that I love with Avon is the A box. Okay, so the A box, it's different each campaign, and usually it's got trial size products. Like this one is next campaign, so I'm giving you a little sneak peek. It has the Dr. Belmeur Advanced Cica Recovery Cream. Yeah, that's the one I had. a new Ultimate Day Multi-Performance Cream, and it had an SPF of 25. There you go, your day cream. It has a new vitamin C antioxidant lip treatment, moisture therapy lip balm. Okay, so those are some new things to try. In this current book, the A box has another few things. Oh, that was that one I was looking for. Anyway, so the current one, which ends in a couple days, will give you, sometimes you get makeup, sometimes you get skincare. That's the beauty of these boxes. It's kind of like getting a subscription box, but not having that commitment. And usually if you buy something in the book, they're only $14.99 and their value is usually about $60. So they are a smoking deal, which I love, love, love. This one has the vitamin C brightening eye cream. And then it has a primer, an eyeliner, and a perfume. Some things that I've gotten in different A boxes, because I love little things. I think they're so cute. Brightening serum. This is the Cica Recovery Cream. Dr. Belmeur. I've got a Lumi Layer Primer by VDL. Haven't used these yet. The Therapy Oil Drop Anti-Aging Facial Serum. Love it. What else do I have here? I have a Glimmer Shadow. And then this I think is so cute for like, I call these purse size mascara. Okay, so these are just some examples of things that have come in the A box. This is a classic red lip, the Face Shop Flat Velvet Lipstick. Okay, so like a variety of products that you get to try out in little cute sizes. They're great to throw in your purse or throw in your gym bag, or, you know, once we get to travel again, you can throw them in your luggage, in your to-go bag, overnight bag, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I love the A boxes. Like I said, they're different each month and they make perfect little gifts because they're pretty, they're boxed up. You know, this is just a couple that I have on hand here, and they always have some tissue paper in there, so it's like a wrapped gift. Just throw a bow on there and perfect. So I like to have some things on hand because if there's a birthday, hey, why not? You're A1, you're a star. So that's my little rundown on skincare. Bottom line, use skincare. You can never be too young to start looking after your skin. You should always wash your face before bed because everybody needs to, even if you haven't got makeup on, because there is pollution everywhere and your skin absorbs it all up. So if you go out and take your dog for a walk or whatever, there's pollutants out there and your skin's sucking it all up. So always wash your face. It's super important. And the older you get, you will thank me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. Bye.